I'm sure you've heard the news. Turmeric water is taking the health world by storm. Let's dive into why everyone's raving about it. Turmeric water, an ancient Ayurvedic remedy, is making a modern-day comeback. And for good reason. Just mix half a teaspoon of turmeric powder into a cup of warm water, add a dash of black pepper or honey if you fancy, and voila! Drink it about an hour before bed for maximum benefits. Now let's break down what this golden elixir can do for you. First up, it fights inflammation, potentially warding off chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes. It's packed with antioxidants that protect your cells from damage, keeping you youthful inside and out. Got digestive issues? Turmeric stimulates bile production, easing your tummy troubles. Plus, it boosts your immune system, helping you fend off infections. Your liver will love you too. Turmeric aids in detoxifying and supporting liver function. And if you're looking to shed a few pounds, it can rev up your metabolism and keep those fat cells in check. But wait, there's more. Turmeric water can improve your heart health, regulate blood sugar, and even enhance your skin by reducing inflammation and promoting collagen production. And for those restless nights, its relaxing properties can lead to deeper, restorative sleep. Ready to give it a go? Make turmeric water part of your nightly routine and watch your health soar.